Some ominous clouds moving in. It looked like it was going to rain this morning, and then the sun came out, got hot. See a little bit of lightning in that one. The crickets are loud. Arcadias. It's closing it for the night, but it was open really bright. It's not raining yet, but it's cooled off. I got ball games tomorrow all weekend, tournament, softball. Football, Oklahoma City. Now we'll make them all. Interesting seeing how the clouds get different levels as they move across. I think my garden's about done, but I don't have the heart to pull it up. I need to just get around and plant my fall stuff. That's where the lightning's coming from, is this direction. Definite roll cloud over there. The crepe myrtle's hanging in there. And my fig tree, but I don't see any baby figs on it. My gardenia finally bloomed.